So today's prediction on GBP USD would also be a buy. So we have been predicting this buy, throughout last week. We've been predicting a movement to the upside. We've been saying it that, if you have been watching this analysis back to back, right from time when market was trading around this level, we've been predicting this bullish move, right? Right from time we've been predicting this bullish move, which market did give us. So today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can get to connect with traders, analysts, and also developers. It is also a community where you can share your own insights, market idea, and also market strategy. It is also a community that has a section for any financial market to trade, be it the stock, Forex, or the stock, or in the indices market. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Starting with this trend right here on GBPJPY, we had this high and then there was a pullback, which is an higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new high. Let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame. So this is a massive high that market did give us right here. There is a massive high that market did give us. So we have to expect market to literally pull back next. I would say a pullback to a level of 216.328. That is where I will expect market to pull back to first before market will eventually push up, rally, and push up. Although we are still to anticipate for the movement to the upside. If you're a swing trader, you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position to next week. But for day traders, I believe there will be a pullback, so you should be very careful opening on your buy right now. So let's see the buy to a level, or and let's see a pullback to a level on 216.317 or 318, whatever price. So if there will be changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll let you guys to know about the changes. If you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com to be part of the community.